Welcome back to Reaction Time. Na mudogo ito Mr. Wonderful no koretwo kenyithania kirima in the last few days. Ni maundu maria makihanikire kuria gwake. Na Karangu ni akoretwo agitaro ni andu aingi muno from every corner. Karangu no mataro akoretwo akiheo uria ngirekire, angi makiuga ndekite wega ona ni guthie nenda-ini, angi makiuga no ekite wega ni undu wa kuji express, at least aliongea ikamtoka. Mataro ni maigi. Na nie he murato mwa Karangu dira expectaga ringi ne ukorwa kiaria na korwa kiugo undu. No, the fact that anaria nenda-ini ti kuga ati matikiaranirie na Karangu behind the scenes tutioi. No he kaundu rega kuga kana ndira turore haha na augagira guku tafarira-ini ya magesa na kaundu gako na Karangu by the way wa Muraya ni ukondo meditate on it because it is something very significant. So tegote mahinda reke turike dereti-ini no na tukuhingurwo ni none other but Bishop JJ Gitahi hindi rega gukorwo kuria kwa magesa, then we expand on it na ginya tuthie tuone what has led to that Karangu moment, right?
Yes.
And the problem why we will never ever be able to solve marital cases.
Yes.
No one is truthful to tell us why.
The truth.
Yeah. Truth area ema.
Niki kirato matoroe.
Yes.
Niki kirato matorumane. Niki kirato toirane. Twaganire gitio. Niki kiu.
Number 2 re.
Yeah, that is number 1. That is factor number 1. No one will ever be truthful. Utire mundu ungi ukaha hauge ma ati no nio ona kono ona Triza haro maundu atangiuga na utire o mundu agucagia mwena wake. So ona tugitaraga Karangu twambe tumenye ati gutire mundu uwi rugano ruru otiga oweri. Ithu we are just judging na maundu maria turaigua na maundu maria turaigua especially maria Triza araheana. Omane ati otoguo Bishop arauga no one is truthful hakinya ni maundu ni tamaya. Mugutire mundu ungi ukauge ma ati uge ni mani ona ni ri ni ndekaga Karangu na kana ke Karangu ge ni mona ni ndiretikira riri ni ndekaga ona. Everyone tries to justify themselves. I was the best, I was giving you the best. Negwakire nyumba na kiwa kauga negotiareire na I mean it is very hard to solve such cases, but how do horori hare ohoro kireire ketuthi na mbere
ke tuharuke haria tuma.
Yes.
Tukugaga ati ni tukoragwo tukionio o mathina maria mekuo na no tutiramenya the cause.
The elephant in the room.
The elephant in the room.
Yes.
Na gwire atiriri gitumi gia tukorwo tukiaria muno ohoro wa love and relationship ri.
Yes.
I came to find maundu maingi maria mahapenaga guku thi mahapenaga no wa relationships.
Yes.
Na mahapenaga ni undu wa maundu mwe mandu gutuika ni maronana I mean sexuality, the human sexuality. And I think human sexuality is a study that will never have an end.
Yes.
Because I was digging too much this week to understand sex, Nikki.
Now the elephant in the room in this whole story is now the sexual energy. This is the elephant in the room. Ohoro wothe wa Karangu ona maharo ire ingi ciothe twanaigua ciake, the sexual energy is always the elephant in the room. Now by sexual energy reure you have to understand tutiramanisha the coming together, the sexual act in your physical bodies. No, I want us to look at the energy itself, the sexual energy itself. Na niyo area energy area ithine witu ithuothe.
That does not mean about the active sexual that involves something we call coitus at the koina mundu uma no ngihando. This means the life.
Yes. Thine witu ithuothe ni kuri energy maita meri. We have the male and female energy inside all of us. It doesn't matter kana we male kana we female, but the sexual energy which is both male and female is inside all of us.
Now when we come to this, I came to understand kurigana na andiki aria mandikite maundu maya andu aingi muno I'll bring their volumes later and we'll go through them. Ginya gweo wikirite it was driven sexually to buy it.
Wow.
Mwalimu wako hapa. You are driven to here by that sexually.
Yes.
There is no any act you are doing about sex with that cloth.
No.
But your sexuality was took you to be attracted to that garment.
Yes. ino njekeririo ya guteithia maguta.
Yes.
Na gukenari ni uri hota ku understand the sexual energy that they carry within. Ndiria kwaga haro ya the sexual energy within us, haro cia mici no gwegathira, because the root cause of haro is yothe ciumanagia na sexual energy, and sexual energy is bigger than we have always perceived it, because we have always seen it as matters of maybe gender, male and female peke, kana the act itself, the coitus, the act. But now I want us to look at another aspect of this sexual energy, because ni Nigeria ethini witu
unconsciously una thimu iria we nayo nginya ugithie kugura cover. People don't understand psychologically. They are driven to make that decision sexually. Beauty kana ni ya githaka kana ni garden urathondeka. People may never know whatever you are doing when you are tending your garden, it is human sexuality driving you to that.
Yes. Wow.
Omodo ena energy no ira ni male and female. Na nitukothoma nginya Bibilia haria mundu obagwo, uria kirikaniro kiugete mundu obirwo eki haria mundu wa mbere arobwo uria tugaga ari male. We have always gotten it wrong, because kirikaniro nginya ni kiugaga wega atiriri mundu uria obirwo ri ari both k male and female, and ado hanagia conspiracy theories nyingi muno cia verse yo. But it is a verse that yageragia gutuonia horo munene muno, and we will expound on it on this episode.
This is the battle that we fight all out. When you are very when a man goes for a very successful deal, ahoreka deal kantaru thaisio gutuke Moses kuri ngira haha aturigio mundu kanyamu kumania na how where you'll be very sexual na besa icio, but going to Adrian ukunaga kuo kamwana
kamoithikiri taru ndirenda moithikiri wa mwana.
That is those are all sexual activities. Iria itare ciorere isi ti ciorere. That's why we remain with a mother and a father. Both they are brought to that by the act of sex or sexual attraction made them be party. No anyita.
Remember, modo magahe nyina na ithe, you are 50-50. 50% ni tho we fafo anyu, the other 50 is your mother. Hence omodo ena energy no ira ni male and female. Na energy no ni now the life force ni driver now your life.
Mathina maya mo the matubu boraga. It's all about human sexuality.
Wow.
Nikio sex nditwa bezo betu tigeru kumerora na just the physical act. Like to menuruta energy ni the life force itself. Na rikana energy no dire o ado inetu. Ginya even in animals, ginya even in plants, the same sexual energy is there. Huo sex energy to ado to idu etu ado humans, even in animals, even in plants. This is the driving force itself. Therefore, it's an energy that man ayoka kugane kuimenya no ginya be understand the sexual energy ira ithini witu tondu mathina mothe riu onatama makorete Karangu mothe mumanite na this energy, the not understanding of this energy na no ginya within us like in two eganetie in what is we can see to be as male and female within us. Tiga otana kinya kwenda mutumia uyu wa nanja mundu mukawa uyu wa nanja utanajia kwajia kuigwa okay tuka attracted to the woman on the without attraction no yaba ku happen thini waku already forces inisio sira korosiki trigger this attraction ya naja nether we ndirie mutumia uyu wa naja already hena interaction ya mutumia waku wana thini
and you give me some time. I will come here with a bigger dossier. Yeah, what is this
dossier?
Yeah, ona nine gwetekrania na muthikafu ati maundu ma mekwenda kahora. This topic, it's a very topic ikwenda ikwenda tume approach we kahora tuna awareness reu, because for the longest time sex ikoretwo phenomenon imwe tutahotete gukarora na maitho mangi otigo maria tukurite tukiui ati sex ni the intercourse na maybe sex area ya gender male and female, but the energy itself, the one whole energy, both the female nature in us na the male nature in us. Thayo wonekaga riria hagia balance. Na niho haha nginya Bishop arauga ati maundu maria mothe turwaga namo, it's all because of this energy, because kaige tukoragwo twi out of balance. Na no maundu maria bathe makorete even mundu ta Mr. Karangu no horo wa balancing ya no battle ino ya the sexual energy which is in every one of us. The sexual battle within us is always there, because it's a balance of these two energies within us, the male energy and the female energy. I think go back kwereka to digest just a small bit kwanza, and we come back with this story. Therefore tukuigira kahora na he muthuri murata wakwa unjiraga ati muthuri ndakimeaga mothe netigagiria
mundu muhike ni kiorori oragia nginya ciana njira twana muriega ciana kwagwa ni ciana no gikore ketari murango kamoya shuka
na tondikire muhikeri tutiria hikeri tobe to meditate on that, then we shall be back. Na no guthina mbere guka na snippets ya Bishop na ne Google gode nyihetie, because to ahote tukwetekera tukorwo tukihuthira snippets ici kuhota ku understand topic ino, because it's a very wide topic area kwenda tumeigire o kahora na nginya tuhote nginya guthoma haria njugire haria mundu akorwo na no thomage by the tugicemania wakorwo no wirikanitie hau haria kirikanano kiugite ati Ngai akiumba mundu amombire male and female, no nginya tukahathoma nigetha tumenye the balancing of this energy. Na hau thutha ni koragwo yugite ati reke tumbe mundu na muhiano witu, koguo ucio noguo muhianire wa Ngai. Muhianire wa Ngai ni energy cigiri, male and female. So no akiona energy no beyond gender na sex, intercourse as we have known it. Ni energy area niyo ikontrolaga maundu maigi muno maria tutahota kumenya. Ni energy area tukontrolaga niyo even itumaga even the choices we make, it's because of this energy.